Hello viewers, after a long time we are making a tutorial about Canadian smoking design. It's our second tutorial. So before that, doing the tutorial, we would like to know you guys that we are not doing the full cushion because we don't need the design or we don't need the cushion. We'll just show the full procedure of this design with an easy way. So let's see. So see guys, here I have taken a paper to show the design so that you can understand easily, and after that we will design on fabric. Okay, here I have taken half-inch interval from each straight line. I mean we took the 0.5-inch interval for both length and width, but you can take any ratio whatever you want. But of course, take the same distance for both length and width always. I mean, make a square shape for this design all the time. Now see, I'm dragging every other square and other points are joining by dots. So like this way, draw the whole paper I'm doing. Now, I would like to explain the point again because it's the only important part of this design. So listen guys, here I dragged the lines in two ways. One is I used straight line And another point is use dots in some other lines. See, straight lines are straight lines we dragged will pull together, but dot lines we dragged will not pull each other. Just join the thread loosely in this point, where we used dot lines. Now follow that we are marking out the areas where we should start showing. Here one point is here one point I have mistaken. I wrote 21 in the place of 22, so it will be the 22. Okay, I'm telling it again. In a straight line we will pull stitches together, and in dot lines we'll use thread without pulling. Just we'll join the thread very loosely. Now on the fabric, look how I'm doing. I started threading from point 1 and 2 and shrinking thread together. But in point 3, after that we are joining point 3, but will not pull each other, just joining the thread very loosely. And now in point 3 and 4, join each other and pull the threads together, because here we used straight line. So by this way we will complete the whole design. And finally, I am telling you again, guys, we will pull the thread together where we used direct straight line, and we will not pull the thread where we used dots. Finally, I am telling again, we will pull the thread together where we used direct straight lines, and we will not pull the thread where we used dots. Just join the thread very loosely. Okay, I hope guys you understand the design easily, and as usual, if you need any other requirements about our channel, just tell us. We will try to make it for you. And stay safe, happy and healthy for all the time. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for all the support. So guys, if you like our videos, please subscribe us and comment us please, because your one comment is our inspiration.